Good day everyone, especially to you sir. I am Jean Philip Clarin. I'm gonna talk about composition and structure of the Earth atmosphere. So first, what is atmosphere? The atmosphere is the common element of our Earth. It includes almost in every chapter of Earth science. The weather which influences us every day also is a state of the atmosphere. Atmosphere is composed of several types of gases. However, structure is different from its composition. There are 5 structures of the Earth atmosphere. First, troposphere. This is the lowest layer and contains the air we breathe. It extends up to about 10 kilometers above the Earth's surface and is where most weather phenomena occur. Stratosphere extends to about 50 kilometers. It contains the ozone layer, which absorbs the majority of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Mesosphere. The mesosphere extends from the stratopause to about 85 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This layer is where meteors burn up upon entering the Earth's atmosphere. The thermosphere extends from about 85 kilometers to 600 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It is where the International Space Station orbits and is characterized by increasing temperatures with altitude. High pressure and low pressure system, global wind pattern, and their influence on weather system. High pressure. A high pressure has a higher pressure at its center than the areas around it. Winds blow away from a high pressure, swirling in the opposite direction from a low pressure system. The winds of a high pressure system rotate clockwise north of the equator and counterclockwise south of the equator. This is called anticyclonic flow. Air from higher in the atmosphere sinks down to fill the space left as air is blown outward. On a weather map, you may notice a blue H denoting the location of a high pressure system. Low pressure. A low pressure system has lower pressure at its center than the areas around it. Winds blow towards the low pressure and the air rises in the atmosphere where they meet. As the air rises, the water vapor within it condenses, forming clouds and often precipitation because of Earth's spin and the Coriolis effect. Winds of a low pressure system swirl counterclockwise north of the equator and clockwise south of the equator. This is called cyclonic flow on weather maps. A low pressure system is labeled with red L. Influence of weather of low pressure. Low pressure systems are associated with unsettled weather conditions, including clouds, precipitation, and variable winds. They play a crucial role in the formation of storms, including hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones. Low pressure systems often lead to the development of frontal boundaries, such as cold fronts and warm fronts, which can bring significant changes in temperature and weather conditions. Influence on weather of high pressure. High pressure systems are associated with development of anticyclones, which can result in stagnant weather patterns and extended period of dryness. Global wind patterns. Global wind patterns influenced by Earth's rotation and solar heating consist of trade winds, westerlies and polar easterlies, distributing heat and influencing weather patterns with trade winds near the equator.